Hey guys, so making cellophane fairy wings is simple. You're gonna start with two very flimsy hangers, like the kind you might get at a dry cleaner or a dollar store. You're gonna bend out that wire into a circular shape, and you're gonna take the hook and make it straight. The next thing you're gonna wanna do is lay down the person that's wearing the wings, and using cardboard or poster board under them, you're going to sketch out the shape that you want. That's gonna be what you use when you put your hangers on the shape to bend them. Once you've got the main outer shape the way you like it, you may want to put more detail in the middle. And the best way to do that is with really easy bendable wire. I would go for a 16 or 18 gauge wire at a craft shop. And you're going to want to make the two sides fairly symmetrical in most cases. Once you just bend that with your hands, very easily it bends, you're going to want to use something like floral tape or possibly duct tape to just attach that to your main wire hanger outline. And you're going to want to be neat with it because, of course, remember, these are see-through wings, so you can kind of see the veining inside. So you're going to want to kind of wrap it as closely as possible and as neatly. The next thing you're going to want to do is take that center section that was straight and twist it onto itself. Pick out your iridescent paper. You can pick two colors like I did, or you can use the same, and you're gonna use spray adhesive to put those two papers together with your metal hanger in the middle. Kind of press it down. In fact, in order to really press it down, I think it's a great idea to put some heavy books or something on it so that it's not pulling apart. Then you're gonna just kind of roughly cut that out and you're going to iron it. And this is what you need to remember about the ironing portion. Start at a very low temperature with something between your iron and your wings. Notice the wing on the left has not been ironed. You can see lots of air pockets, but you can see that once you have successfully ironed it, it really bonds to itself. And those two pieces of cellophane will become like fused into one. Next, you're gonna have your bottom part of your wings that you make exactly the same as the top. And you can put them kind of straight on the top and the bottom so that you can put them together. You can see here I'm using more of the floral tape to just connect those two. Now you're gonna have to figure out how you wanna wear the wings. And I think the easiest way is to make one giant loop out of a piece of elastic. You can even paint it to be the flesh color of the person who's going to wear it. And you're just gonna go ahead and tape that so that one loop is on one side and the other is on the other. And that's gonna be like arm loops that the person can just put on. You can see making these wings is so simple, and it would be so fun to do them in like really dark cellophane colors for maybe an evil fairy, or maybe some lighter colors for more of an angel look. Your imagination can totally take over, and these are very simple to make. Hope you try them.